Now, for all our resellers, when you want to demo and close and actually show how Noom might work on someone's website, or if you want to test it on your own website without actually deploying it on the site right away because you're still in testing mode, we added a Chrome extension to our deployed tab. You can test with a Chrome extension. You click right here on the bottom. You're going to download the Chrome extension right here and follow these instructions to add the extension to your Chrome browser. Once you do, you'll be able to go to a website, choose the extensions, choose the Noom extension, and inject the Noom chatbot into the website. And now you can test it on the website, the look and feel, how everything is, without actually making it live. This allows you to see what it looks like, how it operates, how it interacts on your website without going live because you're still in test mode. If you are a reseller, this allows you to show your clients what their agent will look like on their own website without you having access to their sites.